Guys, they come another British Airways. No, they need some British Airways. I have to take an airplane right now. No. I think I'm taking a landing. Wait. We have to see faster. I'm doing another thing. Shit. I hear the noise. British Airways. If the Airlink are coming, the British Airways in right now, but they have a flag of Greece because you have you. It's the sound. So you British Airways, you are going to the airport again. When I am in the Poland, I'll go inside the train and I'm gonna sit with the steam train because I'm not sure I'm gonna take with you. Yes, but Lufthansa and British Airways, okay? Guys, I'm coming another airplane. You know what is written? Wizz. No. Let's just take it back. We cannot see back anything up. It's British Airways.